Hi, I am Yamach.
And I'm Sue, and together we are the RV Exec Chef. Now we're going to show you how to prepare your turkey. This is the exciting part. Now we've got our turkey stuffing, which we made in another video, so check out the other videos because we did stuffing, we did sauce, and we did gravy. So you've got all that information in the other videos. So now we're about to prep all the turkey, and what are we going to do with this turkey?
First I will marinate the turkey, then stuff with the stuffing.
So we're going to marinate it first.
First, yes.
And we're not doing a whole turkey, guys, because, you know, we're in an RV, and a lot of people ask us, how do we cook a whole turkey in the RV? Well, we're not going to cook a whole turkey. We're taking the breast of the turkey, and so we can get the most out of it, and we're going to stuff it.
First, olive oil. Just dump olive oil, half a cup, maybe a little bit more than half a cup. We have parsley, bay leaf, sage, thyme, garlic, and rosemary.
Fresh herbs again.
All fresh herbs. And I'm dumping inside. And also I have salt, pepper, and a little bit paprika. Then put in there and mix it a little bit. And your marinade is ready. Now take the breast. Be gentle. Don't destroy this breast. And put gently. Okay, take the skin out first. You know, there's a tenderloin inside the breast. Always breaks apart. Make sure. Go slowly. Yeah, almost there. The skin came out. Just take a knife and cut.
Now, just so they're aware.
Yeah, end of the part.
The chicken breast, the turkey breast. We did. We took that off the bone, didn't we?
Yes.
So that's in our other video when we were getting the turkey stock ready. So that's been taken off the bone. So in the other video, it shows you exactly how to take it off the bone.
Turn the skin. The cut side needs to come up because we will stuff this side. Okay. Take a knife, whatever you have. Start to tenderize the meat.
So what does that do when you're pounding the knife in there? Just opens it up a little bit.
Opens up a little bit more. And what you have, I don't know, but I have wooden stick.
Just bash it away.
Pounding with that.
Pound that breast.
Pound that breast. Yeah.
Okay.
Then you can go with your
use your fist as well.
Fist and open too.
So if you've had a bad day, take it out on the turkey breast.
Yeah, you don't want to do too much, otherwise it starts to melt and break. All right?
Okay.
Take your breast before. I did this earlier, this breast, same way.
So you're going to do two?
Yeah, I will do two. Put a little bit, we made marinade earlier. Okay.
You just pour that on top,
yeah? And a little bit, maybe more. Yeah. And take the second breast. All right. Put on top. Oh, smells so good.
And then more marinade. So does it matter which way they put it up or down? Just it's...
Doesn't matter. When you marinate, doesn't matter. No.
Okay, so you put it the beaten side up.
Yeah. Wait 30 minutes, at least 30 minutes.
So you marinated it now to get all that flavor in there.
All the flavor taste goes inside the meat.
Wow. Looks
Turns
really
out
good.
very good. Yeah. After 30 minutes, I am taking the turkey breast. Okay, if breaks up a little bit, don't worry about that. Fold it nicely. Okay. And take your stuffing, put inside. This is enough, and just bring the sides up Okay. Then roll over slowly, slowly. All right. Now we made a beautiful roll. And take the aluminum foil. First fold the side part. Fold the other way very tightly. Very tightly. Now your roll is ready. Now time to put the rolled turkey in the oven. I set up 350 degrees 45 minutes. Now I am putting in there and push the button and I will wait 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, I remove the foil from the turkey. I will put back in the oven 350 degrees, 5 to 10 minutes. I want the top part gets golden brown.
So we've taken the turkey out the oven, we give it an extra 10 minutes, and you can give it a little bit longer if you want it a little bit more roasted on top. So what Yamaç has done is sliced it into medallions. How thick do you slice them?
1 inch thick medallions I did. One each roll serves 2 to 3 people.
2 to 3 people?
Yes.
And remember, we did 2 turkey breasts, so we have another one in the oven sitting in there. So yeah, you have double the amount of what you're seeing here. So this is the final result here. This is the stuffed turkey breast. So you can see all the stuffing in there. We've got a bit of cranberry over there. Yeah, looks delicious.
Can you put a little bit closer?
Yeah. Here we go.
Oops.
Oops. There you go. Oh, it's rolling everywhere. So there you go, guys. That was a fun day for us. We did 4 videos back to back just for Thanksgiving. So we hope you enjoyed those. Any questions you have, let us know before Thanksgiving, and if we can help you, we'll do our best. And we want to wish you happy Thanksgiving. Have a great day.
Yeah.